my little boy, he's got a birthday party coming up. We're going to do a Monster Jam theme. Me and my wife picked up 4 of these Power Wheels that are grave diggers. I painted this one and we put Sonuva Digger on it. I'm going to paint 2 of the other ones and do Bog Hog and King Sling and leave the 4th one as grave digger, so we'll have the whole crew. But the other 2 that I'm painting, one's going to be lime green, the other one a burnt orange color. I think that's the color anyways. But I'll go inside, show you the other ones. I'm prepping them now. So I'll take you inside now, I'll show you them. All right, I've got these 3 in here. I've already pulled the decals off of this one, which was extremely difficult. I'm about to pull the decals off of that one. That one's got a bad tire. I'm gonna fill it full of foam and probably do some other stuff to it, but I'll leave the one over there as gravedigger theme, and then I'll have the whole fleet. The kids go crazy over these things. They're 24 volt, they're actually pretty quick, so they're gonna race each other. I'll set up a little course and all that, and check out how excited my little boy got whenever I first picked these things up and whenever I first painted the Sonuva Digger. Don't touch it, it's still wet. Yeah, stand way back. Pretty cool, huh? You like it?
You like it?
You're welcome, buddy.
That's how he says thank you to Daddy.
Yeah.
He's like, I want to drive it.
I want to touch it.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Look at that in there. That is awesome. You can see your reflection and everything.
All right, I got these Power Wheels all masked off. Took a little while to get all the glue off, but I didn't fix any damage. Just trying to make them look halfway as good as what they run. These kids are just gonna bash car derby them anyways. I've got all the wheel centers on this stand and some speaker pods I'm doing for a friend. So let's get these things painted. All right, these seats that go in these little Power Wheels have seen better days, to say the least. I have this trim black. This stuff pulls off miracles. So I'm gonna spray these seats real quick, see how they turn out. We got Gravedigger, Bog Hog, King Sling, and Sonuva Digger all here for Rowdy's birthday tomorrow. All of them got pearl paint jobs on them, except for Gravedigger.
Get set, go!
Let him go, Gage. They need help over there. They need help over there.
The race has already been won.
And the winner, Jackson! On your mark. Get set. Go! Are you? This thing's dead. Are you even in full?
Yeah. On your marks. Get set.
Go! Go!
Jackson, go around the tire.
That was a hit, you guys. That party, the kids were so happy. The entire time, I bet they're all sleeping passed out because
I know, ours is.
It was intense the whole time. The kids were running around, bashing these things up, racing, won some cool prizes and stuff. It was a great time for everybody.
Definitely a great second birthday for a little rowdy boy.
We should do something like this again.
Yes.